four largest ethnic group in Nigeria. One is Hausa, 47 million. Hausa people are generally from the northeast and northwest Nigeria, though you might also find some Hausa people in Niger Republic. They are mainly known for selling soya, grilled meat, and trading. Number two, Yoruba, 45 million. They are generally located in the southwestern and north central part of Nigeria. They are mainly known for going to school. They are also known for working in big corporations, including media houses. Um, Number three, Igbo, 40 million. They are generally located in the southeastern and southern part of Nigeria. They are majorly known for trading, and they can be found in every nook and cranny of the country. All right. Number four, Tiv, 7 million. They are generally located in the northern central part of Nigeria. They are mainly from Benue, Taraba, and Nasarawa state. They are majorly known for farming, and that's it. Um, it's so funny because in these times of the push for disintegration, now everyone is counting. Okay, so who belongs to who? What belongs to what? I think the main thing that would be a huge problem is that within all these groups, if there was to be a push for an independent nation, you would have that a percentage of them would be a bit what's the word? Would be a bit funny about wanting to join hands, or trying, because again, you can have like let's say 50% of Igbos who want to be Biafra, the rest want to be part of Nigeria. It will be very confusing, and again, we have never really been unanimous in one thing, honestly. Because being honest, the only thing that binds Nigerians together is literally the corrupt government. That is the only thing that we have. That's the only thing that motivates us to even do better, or even try to live better lives for ourselves. And also, even when it comes to protesting against the government, that's our bonding force. And apart from that, there's really nothing that puts us together. So again, maybe that's what we need to, separate. And maybe that's the only thing that we have a problem within us as a major problem. Not saying that, each regions do not have their own issues and we're all perfect. But still, I mean, yes, some accountability can be taken for certain things that we do as enablers of this constitution or whatever. In fact, something it means like, let me count this number. So we have Hausa, 47 million, Yoruba, 45 million, which I'm not really think I can agree with. Equals 40 million, and Tiv, 7 million. Let me just go back. I don't go back, but I'm gonna go my calculator right now. And then add these ones. Yeah. I mean, that's the major ethnic group, because I'm like, I've added these numbers, and this is just 139 million people in the country. So again, how? So if you do 200, I mean, I'm assuming right here, I mean, we're probably more than 200, but if you do 200 minus 136, we have 64 million different tribes that are mini tribes. Because then the least, how do I say it? This least largest is 7 million. So then how are these other tribes broken down into? That is a lot. But the thing is, we have to remember that even in deciding if you want to separate, what would happen to this 64 million that is left? Yeah, basically that's just it, to be honest. It's sad, but we move. Let's look at the comment section. Somebody says Ijo are fourth, while Igbos are the largest ethnic group in Nigeria because you can find them in every local government area in Nigeria in millions. Okay, don't change. Okay, we're talking about facts here. Okay. Someone says Fulani is the largest because they can only be found in every forest, killing one farmer or the other. Again, I mean, to be honest, I was actually expecting we're gonna have like a really intellectual conversation in the comment section. But you know what? At this point, I think it's Nigeria's coping mechanism to make jokes at this point, because again, we do go through a lot. Fulanis are minority. They are hiding under Hausa and be committing atrocities. Nigerian Fulanis are not more than 2.5 million 2.5 million people. That is true. I mean, to be honest, Fulanis are spread again as a collective in West Africa. They are huge. That's it. Someone says, sorry, Tiva found in Benue, Nasarawa, Taraba, and Cross River. Yeah, I even think what's even more annoying, I think not annoying, but what's a huge issue is that the countries are so, I mean, the state is so, I mean, Nigeria is so divided into states that it's just like there's some parts that makes it other. Because again, if we had major, how would I describe it? Major cities. So we can distinct, okay, this is the Igbo area, this is the Igbo region, this is the Hausa region, but the states and how they've been like demarcated, What was the logical? I don't know what the reason behind that was. It does not make sense to me. Yeah, it's just a bit. It's really really sad. Someone says Tiv is number 5 because Kanuri is number 4. I've heard of Kanuri, but I don't even know. Someone says Tiv has a population of 25 million, not 7. Okay, I mean, let's be honest here. We're going by assumptions, okay? We don't even know how many people are in Nigeria. Let me even search population of Nigeria 2021. I mean, they do a census like what every how does Nigeria even take up the census? It's 211 million and 44,841. All right. That's it. I mean, let me say ethnic group breakdown. I think that would give us more of a thing. Get on images now. So the largest is Hausa of 30%. Yoruba is 50.5. Igbos are 15.2. We have Fulanis, we have Tiv, Kanuri, Beberi, Ibibio, and Ijo slash Izon. And then we have others, which is like 24.7. And I'm like, who is others? Like, it's a bit, not to be rude, but it's a bit like, who is others? Because again, we don't know these things. We don't know these things. I mean, even in a map of Nigeria, others are put in gray spots, while the rest are having different colors, which is a bit rude. But other tribes, there are really a lot of tribes in Nigeria that we do not know of. That is yeah. There's like Kaje, there's Taruk, Jibu, Somiev, Mumuye, there's Zuru. There's so many. There are really so many. Because we have the major regions that we know of, and then there were some that we don't really know of. And it's crazy because oh yeah. Some of them are like in between. I'm sorry, but how is Edo not a major ethnic group? That's a different conversation. But yeah. Somebody here says, what about Fulanis? But then they're really, someone said, okay, fine. The true fact is that Fulanis are immigrants in terms of population. They are a minority that only that they evicted the Fulani in other countries to join them for their agenda in Nigeria. What do you mean? Fulanis are spread across West Africa. I've forgotten how. I think by this popular man, but Fulanis are spread across West Africa. At this point, if you say indigenous Fulanis, I can't really say maybe that they are, but in Nigeria, it's definitely much a thing. Okay, they've obviously mixed with Hausas and of course, got more people. So yeah, people, if you think about this, and don't forget to like and subscribe.